week, I'll take you a bit more through the GUI and what exactly is some of these parameters. So the maximum feed rate, we leave it to the user based on their experience. They can input this 400, 300 or 200, what each of these operations should go at. The Q prime is normally this value is supplied by the wheel manufacturer and you can input that value, and if the wheel manufacturer doesn't supply that value, you can input this based on your experience, and I'll show you how you can reverse calculate that. Aggression is, if you put 100%, it goes at the input Q prime value, and if you start reducing this, then the Q prime value actually reduces or it becomes less aggressive, and that's basically what that aggression factor is. So when you do a simulation and if you see a bump or as it approaches, if it's hitting the tool very aggressively, you can reduce the aggression factor and reduce that impact or the bumps that you see. Now this reverse calculator, what this does is, if you already know the wheels that you use and what is the Q prime, or you already set the feed rates for your wheels in the factory, then you can reverse calculate this. So if you hit this button, based on your feed rates already in the TOM files, it's actually calculating the Q prime, and then you can use that so that you don't have to worry about asking the wheel supplier what is the Q prime, and that's why you are not seeing any cycle time improvement, because you are reverse copying that Q prime. So that's pretty much a bit about how the Q prime is used, or the feed rate optimization is used, and how you save cycle time on this.